Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this dog in Blender. Very simple dog in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. So that's it, friend. This is our reference. This is our reference, and this is our model. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.